Let us look at the online market process. The online market process in the APMC markets of Karnataka can be seen in 5 distinct stages. The farmer who harvests his crop, does the basic cleaning, grading, packs his produce, comes to the gate of the APMC. The first stage starts there. The farmer has to give basic information about his name, his village, his mobile number, and what quantity of produce he is bringing in. So with this basic information, the computer receives the information and generates a unique lot number for the lot which the farmer wants to sell. That very moment after the gate entry, the lot is now available on the unified market platform for traders across the state, across the country, to put up their bids for this produce. So this is stage number 1. Stage number 2, as soon as the bid, the lot is entered into the system, the option is given to the farmer whether he wants to assay his produce. Assay is where we test the quality of the commodity and put up the moisture content, foreign matter, admixtures, brokens. So these are parameters which the commission agents, the traders, the market participants desire to see before they judge the value of the produce. So assaying is the second stage which happens. This is being done freely for the farmers in Karnataka. The third stage is that once the assaying parameters and the bid is lot entered, it is exposed for bidding. So you have the local traders who physically see the produce and put up their bids. You have the remote distant participants who look at the assaying parameters and put their bids over here. So the system receives all from all the traders across during the bidding period. The bidding period is for 4 hours time, and at the prescribed time the bidding closes, and then we do the 4th stage, that is opening of the e-tender. At that moment, on a click of a button, the system platform looks at all the highest bids received for that particular lot and then decides the highest bid over here. This is the 4th stage, where we send an SMS to the farmer intimating him or her that this is the best price for his lot. The farmer has an option to reject the price which has been quoted, or if he accepts it, it goes on to the 5th stage, that is the post-auction stage, wherein we do electronic weighing of the produce. The electronic weight is then put into the software, into the unified market platform. Then the price discovered into the weight, you get the total amount, in which SMS goes to the farmer saying that this is the authenticated value of his produce, and then there is a computerized bill given to the farmer, and then there is transfer of money into the farmer's place, into the farmer's account, and then the traders can generate e-permits out over here. So this is a simplified 5 processes in our online market system.
हमारी ये भी कोशिश होती है कि दर्शकों को हम खेती किसानी से जुड़ी ज्यादा से ज्यादा जानकारी दे सकें। आज जानकारी केसर के बारे में।